Hey everyone, Lenovo is gearing up to release the highly anticipated Legion Y700 2024 gaming tablet building on the success of its 2023 predecessor. From early glimpses, this new model promises to deliver a refined gaming experience with notable design and performance upgrades. Here's a comprehensive breakdown of what to expect from this new contender in the portable gaming space. The Legion Y700 2024 has undergone a design overhaul, featuring a sleek straight-edge form factor with a premium matte black finish that gives it a pro aesthetic. Lenovo has centered its branding, with a large Legion logo dominating the back, accompanied by a rectangular camera module housing dual cameras. This minimalist yet aggressive design reflects the gaming focus of the tablet. The tablet's 8.8-inch screen size may seem compact, but it promises a high-end experience. By offering a balance between portability and a larger screen for gaming or media consumption, Lenovo is appealing to gamers who want power without sacrificing mobility. Under the hood, the Legion Y700 2024 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, a significant leap over the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 used in the 2023 model. The new chip has been spotted on Geekbench, scoring 2,209 single-core and 6,509 multi-core points. These numbers suggest a major performance jump, ensuring smoother gameplay and multitasking, especially in resource-heavy titles. Additionally, the tablet is expected to come with 12 GB of RAM, which will further boost its gaming and multitasking capabilities. This increase in memory and processing power positions the Y700 2024 as a strong competitor for gamers looking for a portable yet powerful device. While Lenovo has not officially confirmed the display specifications for the 2024 model, it's safe to expect improvements or at least a continuation of the impressive display features from the 2023 version. The previous iteration featured an 8-inch display with a resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels, 100% DCI-P3 color gamut coverage, and a 144 Hz refresh rate. This made the 2023 model perfect for fast-paced gaming, and it's likely that the 2024 version will offer similar, if not better, visual quality. The Legion Y700 2024 is expected to maintain the same dual-camera setup, featuring at least a 13 megapixels rear sensor and potentially an improved front camera for video calls or streaming. Battery life is another critical factor for mobile gaming, and while the battery specifications of the new model are still under wraps, it will likely build upon the 6,550 mAh battery of the 2023 version. This should allow for long gaming sessions, particularly when combined with features like bypass charging, introduced in the 2023 model that prolong battery life during heavy use. Additionally, the inclusion of 45-watt super flash charging and dual USB Type-C ports should return, ensuring fast charging and the ability to charge and use headphones simultaneously. Given Lenovo's previous release cycle, the Legion Y700 2024 is expected to make its debut in late September 2024 in China, likely in time for the holiday season. If it follows the global release path of its predecessor, the tablet could be available internationally by early 2025. Lenovo has yet to confirm pricing, but based on its flagship features and cutting-edge performance, the Legion Y700 2024 will likely be positioned in the premium gaming tablet segment, appealing to both mobile gamers and content consumers looking for a versatile and powerful device. The Lenovo Legion Y700 2024 is shaping up to be a robust gaming tablet that caters to the growing demand for portable, high-performance gaming devices. With a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, sleek design, and likely improvements in display and battery, it could set a new standard in the gaming tablet market. While official details on battery life, storage options, and other specifics are still scarce, Lenovo's consistent track record in the Legion line gives plenty of reasons for excitement. Gamers and tech enthusiasts should keep an eye on this release, as it could be a game-changer in portable gaming. The Lenovo Legion Y700 2024 should be more than capable for streaming, whether you're watching high-quality video or live streaming gameplay. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 12 GB of RAM, and a likely high-quality display make it suitable for most streaming tasks. While it's primarily marketed as a gaming tablet, its robust specs make it versatile for entertainment, media consumption, and content creation alike. As of now, Lenovo has not officially announced the pricing for the Lenovo Legion Y700 2024 gaming tablet. However, we can make an educated guess based on previous models and the expected features of the 2024 version. The Lenovo Legion Y700 2023 model was priced around 2,699 3,299 yuan in China, which roughly converts to $400, $500. Given the 2024 model's upgraded features, such as the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, enhanced RAM, and possible improvements in display or battery, the price may increase slightly compared to its predecessor. Therefore, it is reasonable to expect the Lenovo Legion Y700 2024 to fall within a price range of $450 to $600 depending on storage options, and any other enhancements Lenovo includes in the final release. If you're specifically focused on gaming-related streaming, the Y700 should be able to handle both gameplay and live streaming with ease, providing a smooth and immersive experience for streamers and viewers alike. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new generation? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day, and see you soon.